Copper clad versus solid copper cables? What's the best choice for your needs? Understanding these options can save you money and ensure data integrity. Let's dive into the essentials of these two types of cables and see which one suits your application best. Copper-clad cables come in aluminum and steel varieties. With a copper coating over a lighter core, they offer cost savings and reduced weight. However, they're best for short distances due to potential signal loss. Steel variants provide durability, especially for outdoor uses. Remember, copper-clad cables are ideal for short, low-data applications. Solid copper cables boast durability and flexibility, excelling in long-distance data transmission. Their robust construction ensures signal integrity over greater distances. Solid copper is also great in high-temperature environments, handling high data loads with minimal power. When choosing between copper-clad and solid copper, consider cost, distance, weight, durability, and data load. Copper-clad is affordable and lightweight, while solid copper offers superior performance for high data and longer distances. Choosing the right cable can make all the difference in your project's success. Get expert help choosing the perfect cables for your project. Circuit Assembly makes it easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.